Today we have the Xiaomi Pad 7 and Xiaomi Pad 8 here, and this is the keyboard case for Xiaomi Pad 7. So now I will show you it works on Xiaomi Pad 7 first. Okay, it's connected, and I can just simply write anything on it, and it's working as expected. Now I change to Xiaomi Pad 8. Again, it's the same thing, it's working without any problem. Okay, now I change to the Xiaomi Pad 8 keyboard. Okay, you can identify the Pad 8 keyboard via the arrow keycaps. This one is smaller. The one for Xiaomi Pad 7 is bigger. See, full size. So let me try it on the Xiaomi Pad 7 first. Okay, apparently the Xiaomi Pad 8 keyboard cannot be used with Xiaomi Pad 7. Now I put the Xiaomi Pad 8 again. Okay, as you can see, this is working as expected. So in conclusion, do not buy Xiaomi Pad 8 keyboard to be used with Xiaomi Pad 7. However, you can still use the Focus Pen Pro with Xiaomi Pad 7. Just the keyboard, better don't buy Xiaomi Pad 8 for Xiaomi Pad 7. Alright? It won't work. Also, I think the newer keyboards will be more expensive as well, so there's no point getting the newer one. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.